Hey there, we're back for more TI calculator tutorials, and I'm going to show you here how to do the goodness of fit test from chapter 12. Now be warned, this is not a test that is available in the TI-83. This is only available in the TI-84, so be prepared for that. Don't be shocked. You can get it for the TI-83, you have to download a program. Okay, so here I've got the astrological signs for the 1,067 richest people, at least according to this magazine. So I'm going to go to Stat, I'm going to go to Edit. I'm going to clear out all these old lists that I had from a previous Excel tutorial, or excuse me, calculator tutorial video. All right, they're all clear. Now I'm going to type 110, 104, and so on. I'll be right back. Fabulous. Now, each of these are the 12 astrological signs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so out of those richest people, how many would you expect to be born for each number? So if there's truly 1,067, which I suppose I should double check. Yep, I checked it. Okay, so there's 1,067 in this column. Then what's the proportion you expect to be in each bin? The Gemini bin and the Taurus bin and so on. All right, so that's what you're going to put over here. Those are your expected values. So it's 1,067 divided by 12, right? And do it again, because each month, well, technically the astrological signs fill a month, but they don't actually, they overlap with a couple months in our calendar. Anyway, let me fill in the rest of these. Hold on one second. Poof. And I actually took the time to write up the steps of the hypothesis test just to give you a sense. And I went over here and I had all these values typed in. Okay, then I go to Stat and I go to Tests, and I'm going to choose letter D, which is close to the bottom. It's the chi-square goodness of fit test right there. Grab that. And it's saying, okay, where's your observed, which for me was L1. Where's your expected, L2. What's your degrees of freedom? Now remember, your degrees of freedom is related to the number of categories you have. So for our purposes, we have 12 categories because there's 12 astrological signs, and it's K minus 1. So for us, it's going to be, oopsie, I went down, 11. Go down to Calculate, press Enter, and there you go. So the chi-square is equal to 13.574, right? And then while we're on the subject, just for the fun of it, let me just note that the p-value is equal to 0.2575. So that means we are not going to reject H naught. Step 5, do not reject the null. Step 6, there is not, hold on one second. There we go. We did not get enough evidence to support the claim that there is not a well, yeah, it is technically a random uniform distribution. That the distribution of astrological signs is not random and uniform for the wealthiest people in the world. It doesn't mean it's not true, it just means we didn't get enough evidence to support it. Which is kind of surprising when you look at it, because Gemini is 110 and Pisces is only 73, and you'd think, wow, that's so different from random. But when you realize that you were expecting about 87 for each one, they're not that far off, at least as far as our p-value is concerned. Oh, and we did not reject the null hypothesis because p equals 0.2575 is greater than any alpha we were going to do, but I just picked a 0.05. All right, we are done with 12.1. You've now seen a goodness of fit test. Again, that is only available in an 84 plus.